So what we're going to do today is the demo for school onboarding. What will happen here is we generally will create a landing page for all schools who've created an account. This is a customized feature that we can offer your schools. Doesn't take us long, but this can be really like the directory for your students, for your year group coordinators, for your psychologists, to wellbeing officers at the school, to direct everyone on what to do, where to go, and what links to click on. Once they click this unique link, they'll take them through to this page if they haven't actually set up an account. If a student or teacher hasn't set up an account, they'll have to sign up first and go through this process and set up. But since we've already set up an account and I've got a demo, I'm just going to sign up with this demo account here. So once you've signed up, you'll have an option and to join a check-in. Once you click join, you'll be able to come through and complete a check-in. As a school administrator, so you let us know who wants to see all the students' results or coordinators' results, you will have the opportunity to have my results. However, as a teacher or an administrator of the space, you don't want to complete a check-in because then that will contribute to the overall scores. You want to go through to here and go team results. So as we can see here, here's a bit of an example, bit of data we've got already of week to week on the school students' data. But if you want to go in and actually identify individuals' results here, you go into member results. And to go through the year, you can type in all the name of the person you want to look at, or it generally is organised chronologically to whoever did the last check-in. As you can see here, you can see the list of all the different students at the school. This is all dummy data, by the way. If you click on here, we want to have a look at Nicole Wilson. Oh, interesting. So Nicole's last check-in was 4.8, so it's a bit lower, as you can see here. However, down here, you can see this one here is really quite low, 2.1. But you can see that something's shifted here, and that's an interesting conversation to have. You can go and slide the screen across and see, and you can also see every time you move across here, you can see the different comment that was made. Much better than in recent weeks, da-da-da-da-da. If you really want to go through and say you're a year group coordinator and you want your another teacher in the group to be able to access this data, we've got this new admin panel. So if you click on members, you go through here and you can literally click on who you want to become an administrator. So Noah Brown, imagine, is the year group coordinator, and the creator of this will is a psychologist. You can add in Noah to be the administrator of this as well. So if I click on this, that'll turn them into an admin. And once they're an admin, that means they can see every single person's data in here. You can easily turn that off as well if you click on back there and then go change role. However, the downside is once you make someone else an admin, they can also become the super admin as well and potentially remove other admins. So as an organization, you need to be clear around the protocol around who is the admin, who can see whoever's data, because their ability is they can then go into members' results and then see individual scores over time. So that's a quick 101 of the member platform for iyarn.